Hi, I'm Del Edwards, and today I'm just going to share with you quickly how to capture your screen using the free video editor called VSDC. So we're going to just record a very brief video. When you open up your VSDC free video editor after having downloaded it, you will see this screen. You can always just click this X to get out of the screen. You don't need to upgrade. This is 100% free. Now, when you get ready to start using the system, you want to do one thing. You want to go to Options up here, go to Acceleration Options, and uncheck Use Hardware Acceleration for Encoding Video. If you don't uncheck that, then every time you try to export a video, there's going to be a big pop-up sign that says something like you can't do this without upgrading, even though there will be a little sign under it that says proceed with the free export. But it's really difficult to notice because of the way that they present it. So just do that little uncheck and you're good to go. Now for screen capture on the VSDC video editor, it's really simple. You just click on screen capture. How about that? And what comes up is this little box here. It tells you how you're going to be using the system. I just usually leave it at the recommended format, but you can do custom changes, how many frames per second you want. There are all these things for people who know what the color schemes and all that kind of stuff is for. But basically, you can just leave it at the recommended format. Take a note of where your videos are being saved so that you can go find them, okay, after you've recorded them. And then you can just click on Start Recording. When you click on Start Recording, the recording hasn't started yet. This is showing you the panel or the area that's going to be recorded. So you can increase this to whatever size you want. If you're in a window browser and you don't want to record the top part of your browser with the address bar or maybe some of the tabs or buttons that you keep on your browser, you can change this and decide what area of the screen you want to record. All right? And so you can just set it to whatever size you want. Now, the other thing you want to know is this little box here, if you leave this panel checked, then the little panel shows up. I'll show you what it looks like in just a minute. Comes up when you start recording. So I'm going to start recording now. I'll press the record button because I've selected my area that I'm going to record, and I'm going to click the record button and see this little panel. This panel comes up here down here. I can move it around, but if I happen to move it inside the recorded area, it's going to be recorded on the video. So you want to keep it outside of the video when you're recording. And then this allows you to press the pause button and the stop button when you're done recording. Now, I can stop that because I don't want to see it anymore. I can close it out. Or I could have simply unchecked the little icon and I wouldn't have seen this at all. When I don't have this available to me to look at, I can use my F5 keys to pause. So if you just click on F5, F5 will pause the video, F5 will resume the video, and Shift F5 will actually stop the video from recording. Okay, so those are the basics. Once you've recorded your screen, it captures, as long as your audio is set up on your computer appropriately, it'll capture your voice, speaking, and capture whatever is on your screen and whatever you're doing. I'm actually right now using another software called OBS Studio to record me using the VSDC screen recorder and video editing software. And I might talk about that a little bit because the OBS Studio, it's not as user-friendly, but it's available on Linux and Mac as well as Windows. Okay, so that's it for today. That's just how you're going to record the video. I'll press F5 to stop the video or Shift F5, and the video will say that the recording is complete. I can say OK, and then I can just go to that video and use it in the system. In the next video, I'll show you how to import your video into the VSDC free video editor and then begin editing the video. Until next time.